My name is Tom, and I love my job very much. I work as a software developer in a big IT company. Every morning, we have a meeting to plan our day. I am sitting in the bright office with my colleague Anna. Anna has long blonde hair and very smart green eyes. We are both ultra-realistic Pixar characters, full of detail. I hold a pen and look at the whiteboard with ideas. Anna holds her tablet and smiles, ready to brainstorm. My blue t-shirt is comfortable for long hours at the desk. Anna wears a professional white shirt and black trousers. We talk about new projects and how to solve problems. Our team is building a new application for mobile phones. I am responsible for writing the clean and fast code. Anna is an expert in user interface design, very creative. She suggests a new color scheme for our application. I think it is a great idea because it looks very modern. The office is very busy, but our corner is quiet. Many people are typing on their keyboards loudly. My blue eyes are focused on the task, ready to begin. I love creating something new from simple lines of code. Anna and I work very well together as a team. She understands my technical ideas, and I understand her art. Our meeting finishes, and we go back to our desks. I feel excited about the work that waits for me. My job is challenging, but it is also very rewarding. I am happy to work in a place with so many bright people. Anna wishes me a productive morning and sits down. We are a part of a big project that will help many users. I open my laptop and start writing my first lines of code. The screen glows brightly, showing me the digital world. My short brown hair is neat and ready for the logic. I listen to some quiet music while I am working hard. Focus is very important for a software developer like me. I feel a strong connection to the digital world I create. Our company promotes new ideas and continuous learning. I'm always learning something new every single day. The morning passes quickly when you love your work. I'm a lucky man to have such an interesting job. We're making progress, step by careful step. The first scene of my workday is now complete. I sit at my desk, looking at the computer screen. My job is to write code that makes applications work. I type many lines of text using special languages. The code looks like a strange poem to other people. But for me, it is a clear, logical system of rules. Anna comes to my desk with a new design for a button. She shows me the colors and the small details on her tablet. My blue eyes carefully examine every pixel of the design. She explains that the button needs to be very intuitive. Intuitive means easy to understand for every single user. I tell her that her design is very clean and very clever. I start to implement her idea into my existing code. This process is like building a house with many small bricks. Every brick must be in its right place to be strong. I wear my blue t-shirt and feel very comfortable. Anna sits next to me, giving me some helpful suggestions. We talk about the best way to animate the button's click. A small animation makes the user experience much better. The room is quiet, and I hear only the sound of keyboards. I like this focus time when I can build new things. My short brown hair is moving as I nod my head. Anna's green eyes are shining with enthusiasm for our project. She is a great partner because she thinks very fast. We discover a small bug in the old part of the code. A bug is a mistake that makes the program work badly. It is like finding a small hole in a very large ship. We work together to fix the bug, which takes 20 minutes. My job is also about solving puzzles and difficult riddles. I feel a sense of accomplishment when the bug is gone. The laptop screen shows the new, working button perfectly. Anna smiles and says that our team is very strong. We take a short break to stretch our tired arms. Sitting for many hours is not good for our bodies. We walk to the window and look at the city below. The sun is bright and the cars look like small toys. I am happy to have a job where I can create and build. Our digital world is growing with every single line of code. Anna goes back to her desk to work on new designs. My coding challenge is over. and it was a success. The morning work is productive and full of good progress. In the afternoon, we had a very important presentation. We had to show our new application to our big clients. I felt a bit nervous, but Anna was very calm. She said that we prepared well, so there is nothing to fear. We walked into the large conference room with our team. The clients were sitting around a long, polished table. I wore my blue t-shirt, and Anna wore her white shirt. I started the presentation talking about the technical side. I explained how the code works and why it is fast. My blue eyes looked at the clients, trying to be confident. Anna took over and presented the design and user experience. Her voice was clear, and her movements were very smooth. She showed how easy it is to use our new application. The clients looked interested and asked many smart questions. We answered every question with honesty and clear details. My job requires not only coding, but also good communication. It is important to explain complex ideas in simple words. Anna used a large screen to show colorful slides. Her blonde hair was shining under the bright office lights. I saw one client nodding his head, showing his approval. We finished the presentation, feeling a bit relieved. The clients applauded, and we felt a sense of pride. They said that our application is very innovative and useful. This was a big success for our whole dedicated team. My short brown hair was a bit wet from the stress. Anna gave me a small smile, and I knew we did great. We shook hands with the clients and thanked them for their time. They promised to think about our product and call us soon. Our manager congratulated us for our excellent work. This is why I love my job, for these moments of success. It feels great to see your hard work being appreciated. We walked out of the room, feeling tired but very happy. Anna and I went to the cafeteria for a quick lunch break. My blue t-shirt felt lighter after the big presentation. We celebrated with 2 healthy sandwiches and some fresh juice. The pressure was high, but we managed it together. Working as a team makes every challenge much easier. Our project is moving forward one big step at a time. I'm very proud of what we achieved this afternoon. The third scene of my workday was full of positive results. Our lunch break is not just for eating, it is for learning. We sit in the bright office cafeteria with our colleagues. I have a healthy sandwich with chicken and green salad. Anna has a bowl of colorful fruit and a cup of black coffee. We talk about new technologies and interesting trends. My blue eyes are listening to a discussion about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a very exciting and new field. It is about making computers think like human brains. Anna explains a new concept called machine learning. Machine learning helps computers learn from large amounts of data. It is a bit complicated, but she makes it very clear. I feel inspired to read more books about this topic. My job requires constant learning to stay updated. The cafeteria is full of light from the large windows. Many colleagues are eating and talking loudly around us. My blue t-shirt feels comfortable as I enjoy my food. Anna's blonde hair is shining under the midday sun. We share ideas and help each other understand new things. A good team is like a small school, full of learning. I ask Anna about the ethical problems of artificial intelligence. She says that we must be careful and responsible with technology. We must ensure that machines serve people, not the opposite. These discussions are very important for our future work. We finish our lunch and throw our trash into the bin. Our company promotes a clean and very responsible lifestyle. I feel refreshed and ready for the afternoon's tasks. Anna suggests a quick walk around the office building. Walking helps our brains think better after a good meal. We walk for 10 minutes, talking about a new programming language. My short brown hair feels fresh in the light breeze. The sun is warm, and the sky is a bright, clear blue. I love these small breaks that make my workday better. My job is more than just coding. It is also about growth. Learning from my smart colleagues is a great privilege. Anna smiles, and says that we are always students. I agree because knowledge has no final destination. We return to our desks feeling energized and ready. The afternoon work is waiting for us with new challenges. This lunch break was not just for eating, it was for growing. Our minds are open to new ideas and new possibilities. Late afternoon, a big problem appeared in our project. The main part of the application stopped working suddenly. It was a serious bug, and we needed to fix it very fast. My manager asked Anna and me to find the solution. We sat together a large screen, looking at the code. My blue eyes scanned hundreds of lines, searching for the error. Anna brought some strong coffee to keep us awake and focused. This kind of problem is like a puzzle with missing pieces. We needed to find the one small mistake that broke everything. The office was getting dark, and most colleagues went home. My blue t-shirt felt a bit tight from the stress of the hour. Anna's long blonde hair was tied tighter to keep it out of the way. We checked every function, every variable, and every line. 2 hours passed, and we still could not find the problem. My head started to hurt, and I felt a bit frustrated. Anna told me to take a deep breath and look again from start. She said that fresh eyes can see things better than tired ones. We walked away from the screen for 5 short minutes. We talked about a funny movie to clear our busy minds. Then we returned to the code, feeling a bit more refreshed. Anna noticed a tiny typo in a very important line of code. A single missing letter caused the whole application to crash. It was a very small mistake, but with a very big impact. I quickly corrected the typo and ran the program again. The application started perfectly, without any problem this time. We both cheered loudly in the quiet, dark office space. My Pixar-style face was full of relief and a big smile. Anna punched the air with her fist, celebrating our success. Finding and fixing bugs is a crucial part of my job. It requires patience, attention to detail, and good teamwork. We informed our manager about the fix, and he was very happy. He thanked us for staying late and for our excellent work. We felt exhausted but very proud of our successful quest. The challenge was difficult, but we conquered it together. My short brown hair was messy from scratching my head. Anna's green eyes were bright with triumph and relief. We packed our things and prepared to leave the office. The city lights outside were shining very brightly tonight. My job is an endless series of puzzles, and I love it. This troubleshooting quest was a true test of our skills. The next morning, everyone in the office knew about our fix. Our manager bought us a large box of delicious donuts. Anna and I were heroes for solving the big problem quickly. We sat at our desks, eating the sweet donuts with coffee. My blue t-shirt felt like a cape of a superhero today. Anna's blonde hair looked even brighter with a small donut crumb. We talked about how good it feels to achieve a big goal. This is the best part of my job, the feeling of success. It makes all the hard work and long hours worth it. My blue eyes scanned the news about our company's progress. The article mentioned our new application and its great features. I felt a sense of pride reading about our collective effort. Anna showed me comments from users who love our product. Their positive feedback is the greatest reward for us all. My job allows me to contribute to something bigger than myself. It gives me a purpose and a passion every single day. We planned our next steps for the application's improvement. There's always something new to build and to make better. My short brown hair was neat, and my mind was very clear. Anna's green eyes were sparkling with new ideas and energy. We are a team that constantly strives for innovation. Our office is more than a workplace. It is a creative hub. I am surrounded by smart, dedicated, and very kind people. My job is dynamic, challenging, and endlessly fascinating. I am very grateful for this opportunity to grow and learn. The morning sun was warm, filling our office with light. I finished my donut, feeling happy and very content. Success tastes sweet, and hard work always pays off. Anna and I celebrated our victory with a final high five. Our professional journey is full of exciting new chapters. I am Tom, a software developer who loves his digital world. Thank you for listening to my story about my job. I believe that passion makes every job truly special. I'm looking forward to the new challenges tomorrow. My heart is full of peace and a quiet joy inside. Every line of code I write helps to build a brighter future. My job is more than just work, it is my calling. I'm a very lucky man to find such purpose in my life. The future of technology is bright, and I am part of it. This is the happy ending of my successful work story.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.